Well, thanks for coming out with me tonight.
Yeah, absolutely.
Isn't that view gorgeous?
Oh, wow. Yeah, it is.
Well, cheers to us.
To us.
Oh! Call 911!
I'm sure many of you have seen a movie with a scene almost exactly like this. But does poison actually work like this outside of the entertainment industry? Toxins, which are noxious substances created in living cells or organisms, have much variety. My name is Alyssa, and today we'll be exploring everything related to the specific toxin known as cyanide. There are many types of cyanide. The more common ones are sodium, hydrogen, and potassium cyanide. The crystalline potassium cyanide is what you'll most likely see in the movies because it looks exactly like sugar and dissolves into the drink seamlessly. Fun fact, cyanide can sometimes smell like bitter almonds, but it may not be a very noticeable odor to most, and only specific types like potassium cyanide emit that smell. Believe it or not, cyanide can actually be found in the seeds of apples. Apple seeds have amygdalin, which is a chemical compound found in pits of fruit and some plants. The amygdalin isn't toxic itself, but if you chew open or break open the seed and the amygdalin then goes through enzymatic hydrolysis, it will create hydrogen cyanide and become toxic in the GI tract. This toxicity can take hours to develop. The more common cause is actually during combustion, usually in the form of house fires, due to cyanide and the objects in the house containing carbon and nitrogen. When polyurethane, like an insulation, and melamine resin and laminate flooring burn, cyanide is released, and possible inhalation could result in poisoning. Now, before I worry you too much, you should know it is very rare to have cyanide poisoning, and the severity is strongly dependent on the amount in your body. Depending on the amount ingested, injected, or inhaled, some may only suffer from dizziness, headaches, or nausea, while in other cases it can especially affect the central nervous and cardiovascular system. This is because these two systems rely heavily on oxygen, and cyanide takes that away. The toxicity is due to the aerobic cell metabolism dying. Cyanide is able to connect cytochrome C oxidase. This is found in the mitochondria of eukaryotes. O2 is vital in making ATP through a process called oxidative phosphorylation, which is now blocked. This messes up the electron transport chain, blocking the cells from making ATP, and thus cells, especially in the brain and heart, die from lack of oxygen. As soon as you suspect it, you can quickly wash yourself and remove clothing. Luckily, there are also antidotes such as hydroxycobalamin, which is vitamin B12A, and sodium thiosulfate and sodium nitrite. These are a form of treatment given intravenously. Now you've seen just how complex cyanide and cyanide poisoning really is, with aspects of biology, medicine, and chemistry. And every time now, when you watch a murder mystery movie, you're going to think back to this toxin. Thanks for watching!